Another vessel fly around at Singapore anchorage, and this huge bulk carrier was standing quite close and convenient. And now it becomes visible that it's actually taking bunkers. The wind velocity is 16 knots and the flight altitude was limited to 16 meters due to the airport proximity. Here comes Our Lady on the backstage, and you can see how tiny she seems compared to this enormous bulk carrier. Also worth to mention the airplane descending on the background. This bulk carrier is also retrofitted with a scrubber. I can't say if it is open loop or closed loop or the manufacturer. It looks like a huge backpack on the funnel. Hope you enjoyed it, and comment, like, subscribe, always.